Let's try to understand the new concept. So after loop plant, we are going to enter variable value. Okay, now what is this variable value? I'm going to explain you. Before that, let's quickly recap what is the loop. So what did you understand by loop? What is loop? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yeah, Sean, can you answer that?
Yeah, ma'am. What's a loop, ma'am? A loop is actually like it keep on going, ma'am, again and again.
Again and again, or a repetition, right? So
Yeah,
loop is nothing but
repetition.
repetition or again and again, right?
Yeah.
Great. Now, next question is, when do we use loops in our code? When we have to use loop? Atharva?
Okay, you ask.
Ma'am, like we use loops to blink. We use loops to eating food. We eat food continuously, like lunch, dinner, breakfast. That is a type of a loop.
Okay, so in the coding, when do we use Manasvi?
Loop that is always daily activity.
Okay, Tanishra, that's right. Tanishra, you need to wait for your turn. Children, nobody's talking randomly. You need to raise hands, okay? Manasvi?
Query. I am not able to open the story mode and the challenges that are given by you.
You are not able to?
Open the story mode or the challenges that are given.
Okay, so after this presentation, remind me again, I will help you out.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
For now, I'll do the last things like the code monkey skill mode and skill mode.
So Manasvi, right now you have to pay attention to the presentation I'm showing on the screen right now. Okay. So after that, we will discuss. Yeah. Okay. So when do we use loops in a code? So whenever in the code you see any pattern is being repeated, that time we use loop. Okay. So that will help us to reduce the lines of code. Okay. We want to make our code shorter. That is when we use loops. Okay, and that is how loop help us in reducing our code. Now, question 3, you all can see on the screen. What is the syntax or what are the instructions of a loop that makes the monkey walk in the shape of a square? Okay, you want to make monkey go walk in the square. So what are the instructions you will write? Okay, if you know the answer, raise your hand. If you know what should be the instruction given to make monkey walk in the square. Can you make monkey walk in the square? Using a loop, you can do that. Raise hand who knows the answer. Trinayana, you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, share the commands. What should be the instruction? Tell me.
We should go, like we should tell in the step 15 like that, ma'am.
Yeah, to make monkey walk. Yeah, like that only. What are the instructions that you will write to make monkey walk in the square?
Step 5.
Okay, step 5.
Sunday, Monday.
After step 5?
Turn right.
Okay, turn right or left or turn 90. All three will work fine. Okay, after turn right?
Step.
Yeah, anybody else who will want to help Trinana? Yeah, Advik, you want to help Trinana?
Yes, ma'am. First one, step 5.
That's all.
Right.
Okay.
Turn right and 3 times, and it will go like again. 4. It's 4.
Okay.
No, it's 3 times only.
3 times only, 3 times. So how do we write? It should be 3 dot times, right? And then
the code monkey, it's not like the That right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's like that one.
Okay, so children, do you all agree with this command? Will it make monkey walk in the form of square, or any different
Yes, ma'am.
answers you have?
Ma'am,
Anybody has
I
different
repeat
answers?
the dot 3 times, ma'am. I think because
Anybody with different answer?
Ma'am, I have the same answer as Advik sir.
Okay, let's try this, okay? On my screen, just pay attention. I'm just going to read this instruction and follow it. Now, first it says 3 times, okay? Then it enters the loop, it says step 5, okay? So step 5, wait, step 5, and then it will turn right, okay? Turn right, that is look up, right will be like walk, look downwards, okay? So I will make it here. Step 5, then turn right. And then it says repeat again, okay? So one time we did, 2 more times we have to do. So step 5, turn right. Step 5 and turn right. So 3 times I did. So I got these 3 lines. Okay, I'm not forming a square. To make it square,
Ma'am,
what
again
we can-
step 5. Again step 5.
so what is the change in the code that I
Ma'am,
need to make?
again we need step 5.
So should I write here 4 dot times so that I can get one more line? Step 5, right?
Yes, ma'am, you can add 4 dots.
Yeah, so I will write 4 dot times. And there is one more change that is required.
Stop. Ma'am, someone is annotating.
Dhanishta, please stop doing that. And Avni, ready? Okay, so children, there is one more change which is required in our code. What is that? Let's see if next question can help you out
could I
to
say,
answer that.
ma'am, could I say,
Yes, Avni.
ma'am, I think it's step 5, turn right, turn left, ma'am.
No, that will not be correct. You can try yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am. Which
Then
question are you in?
Step 5.
Wait,
Ma'am,
students, everyone on mute. Okay, I want you to read this 4th question and try to answer. Okay, that will help you.
ma'am, which question are you in?
We are now moving to question 4. So how do we tell the difference between code that is inside the loop and the code that is outside the loop?
Ma'am, can I say,
Yes, Arav.
we should put a space, to
Yeah, we should put tab. Where should we put tab? We should put it before step 5 and turn right in this example, right? And we can put the space, right? So how computer is going to understand that step 5 and turn right has to be repeated? Computer is not going to repeat this instruction. It will only do it one time. Okay, it will just follow it one time if we don't add space. If you want step 5 and turn right to be repeated 4 times, you need to give space before that. So the command has to be written like this: 4 dot times. And then you have to give a tab key. You have to press tab key or 4 spaces to make computer understand that this is part of the loop and it has to be repeated.
Can I say like that one time?
Is that clear? Is the difference clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Can I say the answer one?
Yes, Dhanishta.
Ma'am, we are saying like this. We turn right, turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left. But we can use a loop to easy. We are putting so many times the turn right, turn left. But we can easily use the loop to do one more time.
Okay, Dhanishta, that's right. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. I hope loop concept is clear. I hope you're clear with why we need to add space. All right, now we are moving to the new concept. It is a very tricky concept, okay? And it's a very important concept. If you pay attention well, you will understand it properly. So next, a new instruction we are going to learn is x equal to. And the new terms you are going to learn is variable and assignment. Now, what is variable? Okay, so anybody has heard about this word variable? What do you understand by variable? What it can be?
Ma'am, I don't understand variable.
So no problem. I didn't ask who has not understood. I asked who has understood, who knows it. Okay, have you heard a word called vary? Yes, Kumar Kaushik?
Ma'am, the meaning of variable means? It
That's what we are. Okay.
five times or 10 times.
No, it is not that, Kumar Kaushik. Okay, we are not doing
Ma'am,
loops
is it
now.
varieties?
Varieties, okay. It's closer to that, we can say, but not exactly. What is vary? Have you heard a word called vary? VARY?
Arav knows.
Arav?
Yes, ma'am. Can I say the meaning of variable?
Yes, tell me.
Variable means something that keeps changing.
Very good, Arav. That's right. So variable is nothing but something that changes. Vary. We all have heard a word called vary, right? Vary is nothing. It keeps on varying. Don't we say? So it is changing. Okay. So variable is nothing but it is changing. It is not fixed. It is not constant. Renana, be on mute, not here. Okay. So children, is the money in the piggy bank always, is it always the same?
Ma'am, may I go to the washroom?
Yes, Avni. Why you didn't you? Okay, you were busy in the break time, right? Okay. So children, is the money always same in your piggy bank? It keeps on varying. Okay, so can we say it keeps on varying, that is changing, right? Sometimes it becomes more, sometimes it becomes less, depending on whether you are adding money or taking out money, right? So, but the piggy bank remains same. So variable is like that only. Variable is like one container which has got some value inside, and that value keeps on changing. Okay. Now, where in coding or what kind of apps we can make using this variable? Now, for example, I know you all might have played some kind of games in your mobile phone, in your laptop. Now, most of the games, they have score. Does the score always remain same throughout the game? No, right? So, but the score name is same, but the value or the score value keeps on changing. Sometimes 10, then 20, then 30, back to 20. Like that, it keeps on changing, right? So we can say that score is the variable and the value is changing. It is stored in the score container. All right. So score is your variable. Like Google Forms, you have got questions. Now everybody is in your class is giving different answer to that question, but the question remains same for everyone, although the answers are different for it, right? So we can say that particular question is a variable, but the answer is the value which is stored in that question, in that variable.